Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Honor 7X. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices, click on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it on both smartphones. From this screen over here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Honor. So I accept, then confirm, continue and finally allow. Now select Send on an Android and Receive on Honor. Following that, click on all of those dots and just send. This way you will transfer all of those files. It will take a while though, I will go with only this one photo, just send and tap on Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by clicking on this scanning icon, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also just input this key over here. Then select Receive and wait a bit. Oh, I forgot about the number, so now as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!